our hearts entwine like kora strings, your love and mine, in shades of crimson, passion burns so bright, our story unfolds in the soft moonlight. Djembe rhythms echo through the night, pink hues of dawn, a beautiful sight. Our love grows strong with each passing day in this land where ancient spirits play. Colors of love, red and pink combine, painted our world, your heart and mine. In the dance of life, we find our way, forever bound, come what may. Whispers of ancestors guide our path through golden fields and village paths. Our love, a flame that never dies, reflected in your tender eyes.
Solo John.
Like baobab roots, we're planted deep in Mali soil. Our promises we'll keep with every sunrise. Our love renews in shades of red and pink-tinged hues. Colors of love, red and pink combine, painting our world, your heart and mine. In the dance of life, we find our way, forever bound, come what may. From the banks of the Niger to the cliffs of Bandiagara, our love story echoes far and near. Traditional wisdom with modern dreams, we weave our future at the seams. Colors of love, red and pink combine, painting our world, your heart and mine. In the dance of life, we find our way, forever bound, come what may. Red like fire, pink like the rose, our love in everything that shows. Hand in
Solo John.
we'll face each test in Mali's heart. Our love is
Fisher folk and Fulani, Bobo and Dogon, hand in hand. Boats glide on the Niger's flow. Colorful markets come alive. Ancient wisdom, modern stride. In Mopti's heart, we offer
Solo John. Solo John.
Mopti, jewel of Mali, where rivers meet and cultures blend. Fisher folk and Fulani, Bodo and Dogon, hand in hand. Djembe drums and kora strings, echoes of our ancestors' dreams. Unity in diversity, life flows like the mighty streams. Mopti, jewel of Mali, where rivers meet and cultures blend. Fisher folk and Fulani, Bobo and Dogon, hand in hand.
Solo John.
Mopti streets whisper tales of old, where fishermen cast nets of gold. Homo drums echo through the night. Dogon wisdom shines so bright. Finis of Mali, rivers flow, full of voices high and low. Ancient rhythms, modern beat, where past and present gently meet. In the heart of Mali, we stand as one, our legs entwined, like rivers run. From Mopti to the Niger shore, we're bound together forevermore. Kora strings sing melodies sweet.
of time where legends sleep. Timbuktu, secrets you keep. Ancient walls whisper tales untold of empires lost and wisdom old. Saharan winds carry the sound of guitar strings and rhythms bound to RX on high in Bellamy.
Solo John.
In harmony on dusty streets. Timbuktu, city of gold, where cultures merge and stories unfold. A crossroads of the desert's heart, where past and present never part. From Africa to the world beyond, your legacy an eternal bond, welcoming souls from near and far. Timbuktu, our guiding star. In the shadow of ancient tombs, knowledge blooms, wisdom looms. Manuscripts tell of times gone by as we reach for a peaceful sky. Guitar strings echo through the night, mingling with songs of Malian might. Saharan rhythms, timeless beat, where countless generations meet. A haven for the world to see, rich in culture and history. Timbuktu, your spirit strong, invites all to where they belong. Timbuktu, city of gold, where cultures merge and stories unfold. A crossroads of the desert's heart, where past and present never part. From Africa to the world beyond, your legacy an eternal bond, welcoming souls from near and far. Timbuktu.